Today we bring you some of the most useful carpentry tools. Discover a fantastic milling machine that transforms wood, a powerful saw that cuts all logs, this amazing machine with which you will get results like these, an essential carpentry tool, and this amazing saw. Sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you have to cut some wooden logs, don't worry. We present you this saw that will make your job much easier, faster, and more comfortable. No matter how large the logs, this machine has enough power to cut right through them into 2 pieces in this easy way. So get down to work. There will be no trunk that can resist you. If you are passionate about carpentry, you will love this milling machine. Introduce the wooden slats, and like magic, this tool allows you to get this rounded shape. This machine can achieve a max productivity of 25 meters per minute. Imagine being able to get broom handles, agricultural tool handles, umbrellas, walking sticks, and many more things. The 4 rollers work thanks to a complex mechanism that synchronizes all its parts. Without a doubt, it has never been so easy and fast to get these fantastic results. Do you need to split wood? With this saw, you will cut wood as if it were butter. As you can see, in just a few seconds, you can get as many wooden slats as you want. Time is not a problem. This saw cuts wood effectively and with the measures that you want. Without making any effort, this powerful tool allows you to form new elements for your work. It doesn't matter the size. Cut as many times as you want and build pieces as perfect as this one. Do you dare to try? Don't use a table saw without this wonderful tool. The 3D push lock is engineered to give you the most accurate cuts possible while protecting your hands at all times. With a high level of precision, control, and safety, you can make difficult cuts with ease and prevent kickback like never before. Using two at the same time, you can work long stock continuously without stopping. It is great to be able to work the wood in 3 different directions. Now the control is yours. If you are a creative and imaginative person, this machine will fascinate you. This tool allows you to draw and cut on wood in any shape or drawing that you want. Unleash your imagination and take advantage of the precision of this machine to create a piece of wood as special as the one that you are watching. You will get amazing results like this. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it.